Hi and welcome to Carlos M Kitchen. About a year ago I made a shorts video about this, but I left out the last step because I thought everybody knew how to do it. So I will show you how and what I use after the island is cleaned and sanitized to condition it, and I will leave the conditioner link in the description. Here's what you will need: water and a brand new sponge, dishwashing soap, distilled or white vinegar, a few kitchen mops, a lemon and table salt, and the wood conditioner. That's how the island looks after a few months of putting stuff on it and a few splatters. It's sort of clean but still stained. I'm gonna wash it first with soap and water. By the way, I'm not being sponsored by any of those brands. You want to scrub it really well and repeat. Like you, I wipe the island every single day, but I still, get stains on it. Now the dirt inside the wood is starting to come off, as you can see. See how dirty it is? Once the sponge comes out clean, move on to the next step. Soak the kitchen mop with vinegar, wring it, and wipe the island. The vinegar serves as a disinfectant. Once you're done with that, let it dry for about half an hour. Now you're going to make a paste with the salt and lemon juice. Let them soak for about a minute or two. Then you're going to scrub it following the grain of the wood. Very important. If you go against the grain, you will scratch the wood. The lemon juice is a natural antibacterial. Now allow the lemon juice to penetrate the wood and dry it for another 30 minutes. Or let it dry for 30 minutes. Now remove the salt. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up so other people can find it on YouTube. Grab a clean kitchen mop and wipe it to make sure all the salt is removed. Wait a few more minutes before conditioning it. Now it looks and feels very clean. Add the conditioner to a clean mop and wipe it with the grain of the wood. I repeated that step 3 times, giving the conditioner half an hour in between applications to penetrate the wood. I do it that way because I use the island a lot. If you don't have to do it 3 times. And that's how it turned out, friends. Let me know in the comments if that's the way you do it or if you have any tips for me. Thank you for subscribing and sharing. Ciao.